Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to prioritize your notifications on your iPhone using AI. Before we get started, keep in mind that this feature is only available on the iPhone 15 Pro and later models. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Notifications and tap on it. Now look for the option that says Prioritize Notifications, and tap on that as well. Here's where the magic happens. Simply toggle the Prioritize Notifications option to turn it on. Below the main toggle, you'll see a list of all your apps. You can individually choose which apps you want to prioritize notifications for. For example, if you want to make sure you never miss a notification from YouTube Studio, just toggle the switch next to it. Same goes for WhatsApp, or any other app that's important to you. Once you've selected the apps you want to prioritize, you can exit out of the Settings app. From now on, whenever you receive notifications from those specific apps, they'll be prioritized on your home screen, making them easier to see and harder to miss. And that's all there is to it. A quick and easy way to make sure you're seeing the notifications that matter most. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone.